Hi guys, and welcome to Hyatt Regency Bali.
So we've just checked in. It's an absolutely beautiful hotel. It's actually Bali's first ever 5-star hotel.
Yeah.
It opened in 1973, but it's just recently undergone 5 years of refurbishment and reopened at the end of last year.
So we're so excited to be here. We've actually just spent some time walking around and been shown around the hotel, and it's a really amazing place with some really great grounds and gardens here, and overall we can't wait to show you guys around the whole place.
Yeah, but first we're going to start with the room and give you guys a bit of a room tour. So we actually have a family suite room type here at Hyatt Regency. It's really beautiful. You actually have a secondary bathroom right as you walk in the door. One thing you'll notice immediately is that everything feels very traditional Balinese, and it's so nice to check into somewhere that constantly reminds you that you are in Bali and you're having that real Bali experience. All the furniture is really wooden, which you have this really beautiful welcome gift for us, really nice. So
yeah, that was so nice. We really appreciate that.
Yeah, I have to say, like, the staff here have been really amazing so far, really friendly. So I can't wait to see them around. So as you can see, the gardens here are absolutely amazing. As you walk through from every area, from the room to the lobby to the pool area, it's just so beautiful. But for now, Chris will take you guys inside and show you the next room.
So we've got our bed here. It's a really nice bedroom actually, with all the wood and everything. But I'll take you out to the other balcony too, which is really nice out here. So this is the view from the bedroom. So it's very similar to literally just a metre that way, but you can see the beach in the distance there on the other side of the gardens. And overall, I really love the view here. Seeing the gardens is really, really calming. And knowing the beach is just there, you can hear the water, amazing.
Yeah, it's really nice.
There's also these 2 chairs here, one either side, one for you, one for me. But you know, it should be really nice lying out here, maybe have a coffee. Really looking forward to it.
So now let's check out the bathroom. So one thing that I love about this room is all of the taps are really beautiful. The shower in here, you can see, let's take you in. Even has this really sort of vintage feel to it. It's really beautiful. And over here you have a bath. So they were nice enough to fill it with rose petals for us. It's really beautiful.
So that was a little room tour, but overall the room here we're absolutely loving, and we can't wait to show you more.
Yeah, the design of the room is beautiful, and we are going to show you guys around the grounds, the pool areas, the spa, and some of the restaurants here as well.
Yeah, but for now, I think before dinner we might try and have a taste of that beautiful looking welcome cake that we got. So we'll leave you there and we'll catch you back later.
So it's the end of our first day here at Hyatt Regency. We went out for a beautiful dinner at Omang, and then we followed that up with a absolutely beautiful massage at the spa here.
Yeah, I think you can tell in Mandy's voice how relaxed she is. She's talking in that after massage voice.
It was so relaxing. The people were absolutely lovely. Everything was perfect. It's just really beautiful.
Yeah, if you stay here, definitely book yourself in. Good morning.
So after a really good night's sleep, it was amazing actually, super comfy.
Yeah.
We're about to head off to breakfast. We actually have a club room, so we're going to head to the Regency Club for breakfast this morning.
So we'll take you along to that and show you what it's like.
We've just finished breakfast. They have an array of different things like Indonesian food. You can choose what type of eggs you want and they'll make it for you. They also have lots of fruit, juices, pastries, everything you really need, and it's super peaceful down here. We just love spending our mornings sitting here.
So we just finished breakfast now. We're going to head out, take you around a bit more of the hotel, take you to the beach as well, and we're really excited to get out there.
So we've absolutely loved walking through all the grounds here. I have to say that just when you think you've seen them all, there's another area and another area with, it's just beautiful. We are about to head off to lunch here at Pizzaria, which is a pizza place. They make their own sourdough pizza there and it's right by the beach, so it should be really nice.
I actually really feel like pizza right now,
Me
so
too.
I think it's going to be perfect.
Thank you.
Decided to head out tonight down to the night market here.
Yes, it's a Sindhu night market. It's always really full, really busy with locals, tourists, a good mix, and you can get a range of different Indonesian food here. Tonight we went with the satay, which is always good.
Yeah, we also had a nasi goreng, and last time we were in Sanur, we also really loved trying the martabak that was here. We couldn't find it tonight, but if it's here when you're here, then definitely try it.
This is not only a great place to come for food, but a great experience overall.
But we've really loved tonight here, and during your time in Sanur, you should definitely head down here. It's just a short taxi or probably about a half an hour walk away, and you should definitely visit it.
So it's day 3 today, it's actually our final day.
Yeah, we actually had a really early start this morning. We really wanted to catch sunrise because they're really, really amazing here from the beach. But actually from the room it was quite nice as well. We had a little look out the window at 5:45 or whatnot, and then headed down to the beach and enjoyed it popping up.
Yeah, it's beautiful. So if you want to get up early while you're here, it's definitely a nice way to start the day.
Yeah, the beach at that time is really peaceful. Some people out running, riding bikes, just seeing the sunrise as well.
Yeah.
You definitely do that if you're here.
And then we just had breakfast and really tried to enjoy the rest of our time here. Relaxed in the pool, walked around the beautiful grounds again. The hotel is located in Sanur. Sanur is a really beautiful place here in Bali. It's a lot more chill and relaxed than a lot of other areas. It's not quite as busy, but it's still very active. There's lots of people, lots of locals.
But our time here's coming to an end, and we've really absolutely loved our time here so much.
We are really sad to leave.
Yeah.
If you guys have any questions about our stay here, be sure to ask us in the comments below. We'll also have a full blog post with all the details of our stay linked below in our blog, AlmostLanding-Bali.com.
If you've been here before or planning a trip here, definitely let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear from you. If you like this video, we'd really appreciate a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. See you next time.